Make a great choice today with the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.